Hello everyone, I'm Ken Torrecampo and today we're going to talk about the important aspect of a student's life, and that is the academic performance. We will also discuss the factors that can affect the academic performance of a student. But before we begin, let's first understand the meaning of academic performance. So academic performance is simply the measure of student achievement in each academic subject. So what do you think? Is it important or not? Of course, it is important as it will help students to build self-esteem, develop important life skills, and get better job opportunities. Now that we understand the meaning and importance of academic performance, let's move on to our main topic, the factors that affect or impact academic performance of the students. So as you can see, we have here the five factors that will affect or influence a student's academic performance. We have a student's characteristics, self-discipline, family, school environment, and peer relationship. First, we will talk about student characteristics. Motivation and characteristics. Motivation and characteristics are two common and fundamental characteristics which can make or break a student's academic performance. Motivated students that are engaged in their learning, participate actively in class, is more likely to succeed academically. On the other hand, students with low motivation will likely to fail academically. Next, self-discipline. So, self-discipline is also a key factor for academic performance. Self-discipline enables students to manage their time and stay focused that will result to successful outcomes. Self-disciplined students tend to develop and utilize a study routine, avoid distractions, and stay focused on their academic goals that can lead to academic success. However, a student without self-discipline will likely face challenges to stay focused in academics, which will lead to distractions and not being able to manage their time to perform academically. Next, we move on to family. So, family can have a big impact on a student's academic success. When family members are there, active, supporting, and understanding, a student can build strong confidence and excel in school. Parent and guardian engagement and supports are important because it can positively impact a student's academic performance. So next, let's talk about school environment. The conditions of a classroom can either help or hinder the learning process of a student. Things like poor lighting, noise, and ventilation can negatively impact a student's health and academic learning. On the other hand, a well-designed school would create better learning conditions for students, reduce distractions, discomfort, and health issues that will result to better learning and teaching. And last but not the least, peer relationship. Peer relationship can influence a student academic achievement. Positive peer relationship can increase academic achievement, while negative peer relationships can hinder students to achieve their academic goals. So, what can we do with this information? So, all the information we discussed earlier is very important. So, if we want to be successful, especially in academics, we need to understand these factors. By understanding these factors, it will help us to create a better learning environment. We will learn how to support each other, provide resources and encouragement, and help each other to achieve our academic goals. And I think that's all we need to discuss. So again, I'm Ken Torrecampo and thank you all for listening. And that's all. Goodbye.